Welcome to the Top Best. The best capsule filler is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools for anyone serious about DIY supplement creation or precise medication management at home, offering a streamlined solution to the tedious task of filling empty capsules with powders, granules, or even liquids, thereby saving significant time and ensuring consistent dosage with every single capsule. Number 5. Sukuos Large Weekly Pill Organizer. Tired of forgetting your daily medication? This pill organizer is designed to help you stay on track with your health routine. Keep your pills organized and accessible, ensuring you never miss a dose. With separate compartments for morning and evening, managing your medication for the entire week has never been simpler. Each compartment is clearly labeled, making it easy to take the right pills at the right time. We understand the importance of keeping your medication secure. That's why it features double protection to prevent accidental spills and keep your pills safe. You can trust it to protect your supplements and medicines. This organizer boasts a large capacity, perfect for storing all your daily medications, vitamins, fish oil, and other supplements. No more clutter from multiple bottles, everything fits neatly in one place. Designed with user convenience in mind, it's incredibly easy to open, even for those with limited dexterity. Accessing your pills is a breeze, making your daily routine smoother and more efficient. Make this your go-to solution for medication management. It's a reliable companion for anyone looking to simplify their health regimen and ensure consistent intake of their essential supplements. What we like. This pill organizer offers double protection for your medications, ensuring they stay secure. Its easy open design makes accessing your pills a breeze. If you need to manage multiple medications throughout the day and want a simple, reliable solution, this is the one for you. What people say. The machine is very easy to assemble and operate. It fills capsules quickly and accurately. The design is compact and doesn't take up much counter space. Number 4. XPRS Nutra Size 0 Empty Capsules. Introducing XPRS Nutra Size 0 Empty Capsules, the perfect solution for your DIY supplement needs. These clear capsules are designed for easy filling and are suitable for both vegetarians and vegans. Each bottle contains 1,000 clear, empty capsules, providing you with a generous supply. They are made from high-quality vegan ingredients, ensuring they meet your dietary preferences. These vegetarian pills are ideal for creating your own custom supplement blends. You can confidently fill them with your chosen powders or ingredients. Filling your own capsules has never been simpler. Our vegetable capsules are designed for a hassle-free DIY experience, allowing you to control your supplement intake. Take control of your health and wellness with these convenient veggie pill caps. They offer a clean and effective way to prepare your personal supplements at home. What we like. These vegan capsules are perfect for those who prefer plant-based options. Their clear appearance allows you to see the contents easily. If you're looking to create your own supplement blends or prefer a vegetarian option for your DIY supplements, this large 1,000 count pack is an excellent choice. What people say. The machine is very easy to use and set up. It fills capsules quickly and accurately. The build quality is excellent, very sturdy and durable. Number 3. XPRS Nutra Size 00 Empty Capsules. Take control of your supplement routine with our premium empty capsules. Perfect for creating your own custom blends with ease. These clear capsules are designed for effortless filling. Achieve a professional finish for your homemade supplements every time. Crafted with your dietary needs in mind, our capsules are completely vegan and vegetarian. Enjoy your supplements without compromise. With 500 capsules per bottle, you'll have plenty to get started on your personalized supplement journey. Stock up and save. The convenient size 00 is ideal for most users, making them easy to handle and swallow. Fill them with your favorite powders or herbs. Experience the quality and purity of our expertly crafted empty capsules. They provide a reliable and clean way to consume your chosen ingredients. What we like. Opt for these vegan capsules for a plant-based and clear solution for your supplement needs. This pack offers a convenient quantity for personal use. If you are experimenting with DIY supplements or need a smaller quantity of vegetarian capsules, this option is ideal. What people say. They're easy to take apart when empty, fill smoothly, and once closed they have a double locking feature that keeps everything securely sealed. They're also very sturdy and don't break easily. I also really like how they're vegan. The quality of the capsules is better than expected and they are really easy to use and are quite effective for what I want them for. Number 2. 8-piece capsule filling machine kits. This comprehensive 8-piece kit provides all the essential tools for filling empty pill capsules. It's perfect for both home and lab use, ensuring you have the right instrument for every task. Our set includes a variety of spatulas, scoops, and tamper tools designed for different capsule sizes and user preferences. You'll find everything from micro scoops to large powder spoons for precise filling. Keep your tools organized and portable with the included metal box organizer. This lightweight set is perfect for storage at home or for taking with you on the go. Easily weigh powders with the lab scoop, U-shaped micro scoops, or the double-head capsule spoon spatula. The tamper tool then helps you compact the powder for maximum capsule capacity. These tools are designed for multiple scenarios, including precise lab weighing measurements. They are a great companion for digital pocket scales, ensuring accuracy in your work. Choose the perfect tool for your needs based on the actual requirements and your holding habits. We are committed to providing 100% satisfaction service, so contact us with any issues for a satisfactory solution. What we like. This comprehensive kit provides a variety of tools for precise powder handling and capsule filling. The included metal organizer makes it easy to store and transport. If you need a versatile set for home or lab use, especially for compacting powders to maximize capsule capacity, this kit is a great option. What people say. The tools worked fantastic in utilizing the excess of my probiotics * into new capsules. *1 capsule was too strong. It's a great money saver for sure as I get double the value from a 30-day supply. This is a good little set for filling small vials or capsules. The tools seem to be of good quality. I like that there are 2 different size tampers. There are a variety of spoons in the set, each with a slightly different purpose. I use this to make it easier to fill empty vegan capsules. It has been an absolute wonderful buy. I take cayenne pepper for circulation and instead of buying capsules that are overpriced, I buy organic powder and fill my own. Number 1. Capsule filling machine kits. Introducing our comprehensive capsule filling kits, designed for precision and ease. Whether for lab work or personal use, these tools simplify the process. Featuring U-shape and triangular micro scoops, these versatile tools can fill capsules of various sizes with accuracy. They are perfect for handling small amounts of powder. Crafted from durable 304 stainless steel, our spatulas and scoops are built to last. They resist rust and deformation, ensuring long-term reliability for all your scooping needs. Designed for convenience, these tools are simple to operate and even easier to clean. After use, just wash and store them away, making your workflow more efficient. This set of 6 lab spatulas serves as excellent measuring tools for a multitude of applications. They are ideal for scientists and anyone working with fine powders or gel capsules. Our kit includes everything you need for precise filling, including micro spoons, spatulas, and filling trays. It supports capsule sizes from number 000 to number 1, catering to diverse requirements. What we like. Crafted from durable stainless steel, this set includes various micro scoops for filling capsules of different sizes. They are also designed for easy cleaning and storage. If you work with small amounts of powder, require precise measurements for scientific or lab purposes, and value long-lasting, easy-to-maintain tools, this set is perfect for you. What people say. Very helpful and it's less time-consuming when filling my capsules. I put this to work, easy for me to fill the capsules, not too messy at all. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.